The first ring is characteristic of the Roman period, and it is this one, set with a beautiful intaglio stone in bright orange, which is probably a carnelian. And interestingly, on it is engraved what we think is a shrimp. Now, shrimps were fairly common imagery on Roman intaglios, but their meaning isn't well understood. Our next ring is absolutely fascinating and was a bit of a mystery when it was first discovered. It's the Escrick ring and was found by a metal detectorist in 2009 at Escrick near York. This ring is Anglian and dates to the early medieval period, between AD 400 and AD 600. However, when it was first discovered, there was a big question mark about when it might date to, because it's not really very English in style. Actually, it's much more similar to styles of jewellery and craftsmanship that were found in Merovingian France, which is an area of France at the time that was run by the Merovingian kings and queens. In the centre is a large blue sapphire gemstone. These are really rare, and it's likely that this was reused from a piece of Roman jewellery. Around the central stone are triangular red glass insets, which imitate garnet, which was another material used in jewellery at this time. The next ring is from Fishergate in York, and it dates to the early medieval period. It's Anglian, so dates between AD 800 and 1000, and it was found in the 1930s. It's beautifully decorated with this human head in the centre, flanked by animals on either side. Next, we have a medieval finger ring known as the Middleham ring because it was found near Middleham in North Yorkshire. This ring dates between AD 1400 and 1425. At the time, Middleham Castle, near where this ring was found, was owned by Ralph Neville, the Earl of Westmoreland. Ralph Neville was a supporter of Henry of Lancaster, who went on to become King Henry IV. Henry IV's motto was sovereignly, and we can see sovereignly written on the inside of this ring, and a repeated S motif all the way around the outside. This means it's highly likely that this ring was given by King Henry to Ralph Neville as a gift in thanks for loyalty, and it's really exciting that we have it in the collection today. Finally, we have a slightly unusual one. This one is a Roman intaglio depicting the goddess Diana, the goddess of hunting, but it's set in a modern gold ring setting, and we can only speculate as to why that might be. We can tell that this ring shows Diana because she's shown with her hunting dogs at her feet and carrying some hunted rabbits and some corn. It's a really beautiful object with an intriguing story that we can only guess at. Let us know if you want to see another 5 rings from the Yorkshire Museum's collection.